Unexpected currency changes on Alibaba can make product pricing and checkout totals difficult to understand. If the app is displaying payments in the wrong currency or converting prices incorrectly, it may affect how you compare products and calculate costs. So let's go to see how to fix payment currency on Alibaba app. First thing you have to do is to go to Alibaba. Then here on this page, as you see, we'll go to this sign of profile. In this window, as you see here, you will move to this sign of settings. So you will tap on your settings. Then in this list of settings, you will find currency. So we'll tap on your currency, and then here you can choose or change your currency in easy way. You can tap, for example, in this one or in this one of dollar, and it will be changed easily. So this is how it works. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.